Let's go over a couple cool things about the 2023 C8 Corvette. The door handle is under here. On the inside, you get a Bose sound system. These red leather seats, which are super comfortable. The roof obviously comes off as it is the summer. Gotta have it. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The steering wheel is flat bottomed and flat topped. All of your comfort settings are throughout here. You get cup holders and some storage. You twist this for your drive modes. Pull that up for drive. Pull that up for reverse. Push that in for park.